In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable spelling check and autocorrect in Outlook. If you've ever sent an email and noticed a typo right after hitting send, these settings will save you a lot of stress. We'll turn on live spell checking as you type, and we'll make sure Outlook gives you a final spelling review before any message goes out. Start by opening Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Make sure you're in the main Outlook window where you can see your inbox and folders. At the very top left corner, click the File tab. This takes you to the Backstage view where you can adjust application-wide settings. On the left-hand panel, look at the bottom and click Options. If your window is small, you may need to scroll the panel to see it. This opens the Outlook Options window, which controls how Outlook behaves across Mail, Calendar, and more. In the Outlook Options window, select Mail from the list on the left. This focuses the settings specifically on how you compose, format, and send messages. Once you're on the Mail page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Compose Messages. This is where the spelling and autocorrect related preferences live for mail creation. Now, turn on the safety net that catches mistakes right before your email goes out. Check the box labeled Always check spelling before sending. With this enabled, Outlook will pause and run a spelling check when you click send. If anything looks off, you'll have the chance to fix it before the message leaves your outbox. It's a small step that can prevent avoidable errors, especially in important emails. Next, enable real-time feedback while you write. Check the box for check spelling as you type. From now on, Outlook will underline potential spelling mistakes as you compose your message. This helps you spot and correct issues immediately, and in many cases, Outlook can suggest the right word or even automatically fix common typos as you go, depending on your version and language settings. It's ideal if you want a cleaner draft before the final review. When you're done, click OK to save your changes and close the options window. Your new settings take effect right away. As you write new emails, you should see underlines appear beneath possible errors, and when you send, Outlook will give you that last spelling check to catch anything you might have missed. That's it, quick, simple, and effective. With these options enabled, your emails will look more polished and you'll spend less time worrying about small mistakes slipping through. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother, more confident emailing experience in Outlook.